Today we all gathered for the Lakewood Ranch Community Fund's first annual nonprofit bus tour. After many years of giving out grants to different charitable nonprofits in our community, we wanted to see firsthand the difference that those grants were making. Our first stop today was the Sarasota Manatee Association for Riding Therapy. They provide amazing equine services for so many different groups of people. Veterans with PTSD, breast cancer survivors, victims of human trafficking, children with autism. The wide range of people helped by their services was truly spectacular.
I have a son with autism, and he was very disconnected from the world around him. This is a kid that would not listen, would not make eye contact, and he walked right up to this horse, and he grabbed that horse's cheeks and planted a big kiss. I knew nothing about horses, but I did know that they were going to be a part of my life.
We should have brought something for you, buddy.
We took some selfies with Norman. He was very photogenic, so I think everybody really enjoyed our visit to the Smart Campus. Our next stop is Nate's Honor Animal Rescue. They're a local animal rescue shelter here in Lakewood Ranch. The fund has supported them in the past, this past year, by helping with their Fostering with Families program, which helped put puppies and kittens in the homes of Lakewood Ranch families. Definitely helps the animals out, especially when their shelter is overcrowded, and it also teaches our kids important lessons in personal responsibility.
The dogs have indoor-outdoor access all day long, as do the cats. Put them in small groups, up to 6 per. They're pack animals, so that keeps them calmer and less stressed. Most places will put them all in one room, and if you've ever gone there, it's so loud you couldn't hear me talking to you, and it stresses kids out. So our whole thing is to change how families view rescue, one family at a time, one generation at a time.
They're insulated, they're green, they're solar powered. We were really impressed with their facilities. Our third stop is the Meals on Wheels Daybreak Adult Center, which provides social programming for some of the seniors in our area. And they provide a lot of important social settings to keep our older citizens active and engaged. And they, of course, also provide the nutritious Meals on Wheels meals for our seniors.
When we can give them a safe place, an easy place, something they know they can come in and do and share their talents with their other people that live in their communities.
Maintaining overall health is keeping them connected with other people and their community instead of sitting home and watching TV all day.
There were rooms for absolutely everything: eating, socializing, art, the theater room, which is what one of our Lakewood Ranch Community Fund grants went to a few years ago. And you could see they're having a grand time there and definitely being active and social and staying engaged, which is what we want for our community. The last stop of the day is Tidewell Hospice. We're very pleased to have them build their first hospice home right here in Lakewood Ranch, with beds for up to 30 patients, I believe. And we really heard about the full spectrum of care that they offer.
But it's not done for profit at all. It's really done to be here for the community so we can serve every level of care that a patient and family needs. And that's where donor support becomes so important.
It was really, really heartening to know that that resource is here in our community, and seeing that up close was wonderful. It's crucial. What we do is amazing, but to just talk about it or see it on paper doesn't convey the depth and the emotion that comes with it. What we got to do today to really see the people who work day in and day out to make our community better was spectacular and meaningful, and it was something we look forward to doing more in the future. We really hope that we can continue to bring our donors and our board members and all of our supporters into contact with these worthy nonprofits, hopefully foster a connection where maybe they start volunteering, giving back to these individual organizations, and just really strengthen the bonds of our whole community.